This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 2, Lesson 2. In this lesson, we will continue measuring objects using concrete centimeter cubes. For example, the directions say find the length of each object using 1 centimeter cube. The eraser is about blank centimeter cubes long. So the students will use actual centimeter cubes to determine the length, and when they do that, they will find that the eraser is about 4 centimeter cubes long, or that the calculator is about 5 centimeter cubes long. We can also think about our length measurement when solving word problems. This problem says a puppet's body is 23 centimeters long, the head is 10 centimeters long. What was the total length of the puppet? So if we think about the body of the puppet first being 23 centimeters long, I could draw a tape from a tape diagram to show that. This is 23 centimeters and this is the body. The head is 10 centimeters long, so I'm going to add another portion on that is 10 centimeters and show that that is the head of the puppet. The question then is, what's the entire length of the puppet? And I can use my addition strategies to solve that problem. So I'm going to add 23 plus 10. Well, if I'm on a number line, I'm at 23, I do a hop of 10, I know that I will land at 33. So the entire length of the puppet is 33 centimeters. The last question says Eli measured his math book with his centimeter cube. The picture shows how he marked each cube. What did Eli do wrong? Well, if he has one cube and he's measuring his book, he would have put the first cube on the end and made a mark where the 1 is. And he will continue laying out the cube and keeping track of the distance for each centimeter cube. But you can see the problem here and here. When he's laying out his cube, he's not keeping it lined up with the previous cube because this distance is smaller than the first 3 centimeters and this distance is greater. So if we're measuring with a centimeter cube, then each unit would be the same length and you would see a more uniform drawing of how he measured his notebook. So he got off on his measuring by not being careful the way he moved his cube along the side of his notebook.